Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we have a 2-speed vibrating foam roller and massage bolster pillow from THEA. I mean, this product is actually interesting. I don't know if you watched my other reviews, or I've even featured my foam roller in any reviews. I use a foam roller and our bed has actually a vibration thingy built in. That's why I truly enjoy vibration therapy. And this thing promises to be a both relaxation tool, a sports foam roller, and a decorative bolster. So let's test that claim and see what it looks like down here. And again, it will be apparently, the promise is that it will be a fitness foam roller, relaxation vibration massager, and a decorative bolster pillow. Apparently it works with 2 AA batteries, and those come in the box, which is a good thing. So if we just check this one out quickly, yeah, we installed the batteries, there's a button, and not for kids or pets. High intensity is apparently not necessarily better, so if you have diabetes, check it out. The benefits are like countless. There are so many. You can do yoga, meditation. I mean, yeah, when I went to yoga, they actually advised me to use a bolster, so it helps when you're doing yoga. And massage and vibration therapy are just amazing things. And this thing, since it also incorporates a foam roller within, I think will be my next favorite product, because I do enjoy foam rolling. I do exercise, even though I don't show that I exercise. So let's see how it works, and if it's as decorative as they claim it is, that would be perfect. By the way, it comes in this nice box, so well, this pouch. So I really like the fact that it comes with this carrying case, because you can just attach it on your shoulder and keep going. Let's see what it looks like in here. All right. I mean, it's a nice blend of, I would say, sports versus decoration, or sports and decoration, because this is such a hybrid at first sight. Let's see how it feels. Oh, okay. I mean, the rolling side can easily provide the foam rolling therapy, and it is actually quite decent. I like that. I believe this is the on and off button, and since there are no batteries in, it will not work. It's reasonably firm, like the shared ones at the gym, for example. You know, those guys are as firm, plus this one has a nice texture on it. It's not like foam. But let's see how we put in the batteries. I assume that it would be from somewhere here. I may be ruining, no, of course not. Here it is. Let's grab the batteries that come with it. Here they are, Sun whatever the brand. Yep. I'm back here, and I like that it is stabilized, because this thing would actually move in and annoy the user quite a lot. The opening part is how, yeah, quite intuitive. Will it start working by the way? No, good. I turned it off then. Let's put it on and put it in its hiding space. I mean, it's important, you know, vibration is an important element in engineering. They're all trying to minimize it. So if you have something vibrating, it's almost a must to put some dampening. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, this is relaxing. This is a more intense mode. Okay, there's low and high. Oh my god, I can easily see myself using this, and the video is now turning into an ASMR video, but honestly, this thing is relaxing me before sitting on it. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Okay, I'm gonna do something crazy now. Let's demonstrate what are the different use cases for this one. Apparently as a massage pillow, as a vibration massager, we can use it in several positions, and I'm gonna demonstrate them all. I'm gonna use it in low mode, and oh yeah. You can use it on your calves like this, or ankles. Okay, this is a lot of fun. Okay, the next use case is shoulders. Let's see how I'm gonna use this on my shoulder. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is how you use it on your shoulders. Okay. Next one is upper back, but I'm gonna, my shoulder is super relaxed by now that I wanna keep it. Okay, now for the video, okay. Then it will definitely be the shoulders. Let's see, upper back. Oh, upper back is also pretty good. Oh yeah, okay, let's keep the demonstration. I'm gonna have fun once the video is off. So for the glutes, oh yeah. Maybe if I do, ooh, like this is even better. Yeah, like, the good thing about this one is the mix of foam roller with a vibrating massage pillow. Another use case is demonstrated as stomach. So let's do that. Oh, I mean, ladies might use this on their difficult time of the month, but I don't see any value. Maybe if you exercise your core, then it would be useful. Another way to go is the neck. Oh, it would really help one fall asleep. Okay, the next use case is lower back, but the shoulder was my favorite. Oh yeah. Oh, you can also. Okay. Alright. Let's jump into the last use case, which is the lower back. This is pretty cool. Okay, there are also tons of foam roller exercises you can do, but it's like any other foam roller. You do those things, and it's not as firm, which is fantastic because I have this guy here that I trained with when I was more serious about my tennis, and this is super solid. Like, this is not good for relaxation, this is not for wellness, this is strictly sports, and even though it provides some relaxation, I can't really use or benefit from this anymore because when I'm sleepy and I just want to give myself a small massage, I can't really do that. I really need to push in hard with this, and I'm also a heavy guy, so I think this is retiring. From now onwards, THEA's massage, foam roller, vibrating bolster will be my new favorite relaxation tool. Relaxation tool. I mean, I really like it. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm getting I'm digressing here. This is fantastic. I would like to thank. This is the high mode. I accidentally pressed it, and it's pretty cool. Anyways, I would like to thank THEA for sponsoring this video and helping us grab and test a unit. It's really good, and I think you will enjoy this as a massage pillow, as a foam roller, and as a decorative object. Let me get out of here and see it as a decorative object. Here you go. Okay, I'm jumping back. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and if you would like to see other videos like this one, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one. Arrivederci!